Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy 82. Welcome to Big Tiny Toys channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Hotspot, the Helium Hotspot outdoor hotspot. Everything is hotspot. um, we're doing a nice view of it, what it looks like, what the box looks like when you receive it. Very beautiful, beautifully crafted, sturdy, great packaging. Let's try to fight and get this thing out. Yep, got it out. Awesome. Okay, let's see. So as you can see, beautifully packaged with the foam because we have the RJ45 comes with a flat RJ45, great for the windows, especially if your house you want to put it through your window, you could close it easily. So you have the manual, you have the different papers that come with the mine itself. Of course, you have the sticker. Very nice to at least put a sticker in there for us guess to stick it and probably show off that we are helium owners, I guess. So the first part it comes with the mount. That mount, I believe, yeah, that goes directly on the back of the hotspot itself. This is also part of the mounting. Then that goes to the pole or wherever surface that you want to put it on. Of course, it comes with the cap for the RJ45. So you could plug it into the hotspot itself. Comes with the screws, and let's see. Yeah, these comes with two brackets, metal brackets that you could put around that mount part of it, and then you could um, secure it onto any pole or wall or um, stairs or balcony, whichever one. And it also comes with a POE injector. Very nice. Comes with the manual. Nice design. Wow. White. All right. Sturdy. Yeah. Quality. Great quality. I'm gonna pack this up and close it back up. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, holding the camera in one, and yeah, but we're making it work. So the foam, which protects the actual outdoor hotspot itself, is very sturdy, soft, very it definitely secures the hotspot from getting damaged. So this is the beautiful hotspot. Look at it. It's beautiful. Has a weight on it too. This is about I gotta say about 2 pounds, 2 to 3 pounds of weight. Um, yeah, nicely secured in a plastic bag. Yeah, let's not let that plastic bag fly away with the wind. See, sturdy. Got it all around. Well built. Uh, Quality material, doesn't look flimsy. This is really, really well built. See the back of it. Yeah, that part you can see where you can plug in the RJ45 and slash POE. You can see it. Turn around. This is beautifully built. Definitely could withstand the elements. Not cheap looking at all. Definitely not cheap. That's for your grounding. You put the ground wire and you screw it on. Yeah. So this is it. Um, that's what comes in the box for the Helium Miner outdoor hotspot. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. share with your friends. And by the way, I picked this up from the Helium Happy Hour in New York City over the weekend. It was a phenomenal event, great community. Everyone from Solana was there. If you missed it, you missed it.